Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture. I'm your host Mxolisi Dlamini, and namhla sibuyile ke sitawubuka tona tindzaba letikhona phela ku arts and culture sector in the kingdom. Lena ke podcast ngila utawufunza khona ngalokunenge ma challenges ma issues nawo onke ma success stories awu ethu phela ma creatives ukuthi angabe kwendakalani vele kuyona lenkundla yethu ye arts and culture sector in the kingdom. Namhla ke ngidawuthatha nsambo ngithi jike ngala ka gospel sibe sekukhoneni bemvana phela mlaleli nawe mbukeli lapho kona sitawukhulumisa khona ndzaba ka gospel, and I'm happy to announce ukuthi I have this amazing guest, a young person, a vibrant one, especially in the gospel industry. Then ke nambona naye by the name of Isabel Mazia, who has shared stages in the gospel sector with award-winning musicians such as Botina Zungu, Botumi, banenge ngabala kuze kuyoshona langa impela kepha ke ngidawunika yena Isabel Mazia azivusele umcango. How are you today?
I'm very, very good, Ngozi. How are you?
I'm fine.
So happy to be here. So, Njokusho, my name is Isabel. I'm a backup singer. I'm also a musician, but mostly ukanzi singer backup gospel. Yes.
With that voice, your colleague. That voice inkumbuta colleague. Back then, bo Rebecca.
Yes.
Singathi kancane ungivise le voice ungithi nje fahla. Kwelvesi noma kwehook nje.
Okay, ngaphesheya siyakuphumula siyakujabula ngaphesheya ngasifike ezweni ngaphesheya. I was so unprepared.
But ngishilo ngathi ngevoice yakho kholeka bakwese bangikhanzalana nami Nkosi yami sengikukhonene phela.
Yes.
Balkona ngeva ukuthi no le voice iyangiphakamisa. Kepha nje njengembuto wami nje wecala ngiyafisa kuva ukuthi how has the journey been both as a musician and also as a backup singer, especially kule landscape yethu la Kangwane?
Okay, so I started singing 2022, right after COVID. I was introduced to music by Ntokozo Mtaung. He recently recorded and released Ingoma Lethi Lokusha with Eagles Wings worship team. Yebo, so he introduced me to Linda Dlamini, and then he introduced me to Siyama Phanga, Lolong engineer walaga arts and culture, and then that's where everything happened. Siya wangifaka konke kubo Makeswela kubo every stage ngasho ukuthi bengwathola through Siyama Phanga. So with that journey ngikhonile ukuthi ngishare my stages with a lot of artists. I was also a makeup artist on the other hand, yebo. So bokhanzithi mangabe sekunesikhala sengena kanjalo because they know me also as a backup singer. Gohamba kanjalo ke kuze kube kunamuhla.
Okay, I understand sis.
Yes.
So ngicela sithi kunayenzaba ima opportunities young people like you.
Yes.
Ayatholakala imvela ama opportunities bantu labasha, and phindze ngicela ubacushise abantu labasha lebafisile kufika la ufike khona ukuthi how can they navigate lama opportunities. Ngiyaconza ukuthi wena uthi nje bohle uba
Yes.
bese uyacungena nangalana
Yes.
music.
Exactly. So you need to be very, very smart. Angisho lokho ngikucacisa because sine young people siyathanda ukuthi sitivalele into thine boxing, yabona. Mina kuba dynamic kwami kuyangisida ukuthi ngikhona ngena kanje. Apart from being a vocalist, makeup artist, I'm also a plus size model. So ngiyakhona ukuthi nanga modeling nakuvela lithuba ngene. Kanjalo. But khona info le emcoka lengifuna kuyi-highlight. Know that anytime you are replaceable. Khona lo munye umvulo good, even more than you. So you need to stay humble. Nabakubita ungathi hayi seningibitele eTulu. Yebo, in as much as you need to be professional, go understand lo ukuthi man iba available, iba dependable, and know that you are replaceable. Ungathi na ufika utokwenda something bese uva ngathi nguwe. Just be humble. Utawusebenziseka ngaleyo ndlela. Yes.
Question yami lelandzelako ngifuna kuva nje kabanti Mcango especially nganendzaba ya arts and culture,
Okay.
So ivulile neminyango leminyenge, especially studio ukuthi bantu labasha they can come and use this facility bakhona recorder.
Yes.
Angabe wena nje la ikhanze khona this development kusite kanjani njengomuntu lomusha?
Okay. I'll start with saying ukuthi mangicala kutosebenza la studio bekune project ye ndothini i-project lebe yendelwe bantfu who are living with disabilities. So ukhanze thine leside ma disabilities asikhona ukuphilisana nabo kahle nje. Asadi you don't know ukuthi ufuna uhlale naye umthuthe kanjani umphathe kanjani. So ngathi nangifika ku environment le kanjalo ngacala nami ngajela kahle nabo uyabona, which is good to the society honestly, because you need to be able to work with anyone and everyone, because labanye nje akaboni bokudzinga ukuthi akucele ukuthi no ngicongiphethe le restroom umpheleketele yabona athi yini ngingatfola phi kuphi umside uyabona lokho kwenta nje nawe umvulo kahle man in the society yabo. So also studio siyakhona sangisakhulumeli ke lapho bantu laba phila nema disabilities ukhanzisi mostly stokwende ma background voices ema artists yabo. So ngisebenza nema different musicians lamanye outside even gospel uyabona. Kuyangisita lokho man, because ngiva ngathi awudzingeki ukutivalela ekoneni linye uthi nje mina gospel kuphela kanti phela music is so diverse yabo. Yeah.
Hayi kevakala Mcando, kevakala Mcando.
Yes.
Mhlambe sesite emuteni wethu lo munye Mcando, ungasitshela nje ukuthi really what are the challenges of being a backup singer, especially kusebenza nama artists lamakhulu khona la.
Okay, i-challenge lekhona lenkulu kakhulu lengicangisi sonke siawe ngayo imali. Sinema backup singers asikavamisi ukuthi sibhadaleke kahle. Ukhanzi sekudingeka ukuthi size sitoyitoyene ukuthi siye stage singayitfoli leyo deposit uyabona. Ngoba phela ngiyo lesenda ngayo ama nails nekuthi uchamuke umuhle enhloko ne makeup ugcoke kahle. Ukhanzisi na ungakayitfoli bese sekuba stress la ukuthi into okuchamuka kamuhle kanjani. Kanti you really need to show up yabona. I think bo organizer ngicela babo sikhumbula nalabenda nje ma events kuthi uyathi now decide now planile ukuthi utawubhadala bantu labenda ema stages nema lighting nawo konke usibale nathi prioritize, because ayikho honestly le show nathi siniko. So I think i-challenge ekucala ngidele lenye lekhona ukuthi most of us asikho mobile kahle side kahle timoto tethu asengisho kanjalo. So bese banawo lokusikhohlwa yati ngekusilanza nje kusinaka hospitality yabona, kanti phela siyayidzinga nekudla singi energy nje stage. Yebo kodwa ke labanye ke bayakwenta kahle, but ama challenges lengicangisi sinawo kakhulu vele kuye kube ngilawo. Yeah.
Engabe still on challenges sangabe nje mase kwenziwa mase kuthiwa naye le artist ehambe yo perform abroad outside bayabida yini lapho?
Basbita, but I want to say ukuthi ema artist akhanzisi usebenza na MD wakhe, so sibanengi njengoba ngishito ukhanzisi ngalelo langa usahasahekile uyabona khambela abanye kule same team. It's not an issue, but yebo siyahamba vele nabo.
Angabe nje sesisonga Mcando labo lebafisile connecta nawo phinze ba connect nemsebenzi wakho phela ka music bangakuthola kuphi ku social media?
Okay, mina ka Facebook Isabi Mazia, I think banako kungibona bona. Isabi Mazia, just send me an inbox ka Facebook. I think nguye lengikhona kumsebenzisa kakhulu.
Mcando shothe nophendula onke inbox ka Facebook.
Yeah, ma inbox ngiyabuka phela nami ukuthi lena itangilethelani bese ke sengiyaphemvula ke.
Hayi no seva Mcando. Kepha ungaphumi nje I believe donke ingoma uyatata Mcando. Noma ngingathiwa nje ngunika line linye ngabe uyaqhubeka wena.
Ngiyadithemba ukuthi cha.
Ngicela ke mina Mcando sivale kanjalo.
Okay.
Sivale kanjalo nakunika nje line linye.
Okay.
Yabese wena uyithatha uyayivala usoka kahle Mcando.
Okay.
Uyavalelisa siyahamba siyakhweta la studio.
Yes. Okay.
Sengiqalile uhambo lusha olungiqondisayo
luvela ezulwini sengehlukene nezwe nokona ngobekesela Jesu bekezela.
Hayi ngeke seyiphele imicangco kepha nje hayi siyabonga kuba nathi khona la eSwatini as Voices podcast powered by eSwatini National Council of Arts and Culture. Ayimi host Mxolisi Dlamini bengihleli naye Isabelle Mcango. Ushido ke wasibo Facebook nemtholo yawaphendula nema inbox kepha wabuka ukuthi qhamuka kanjani leyo. Siyabonga kakhulu Mcango kuba nathi, siyabonga kakhulu nani babukele kuba nathi namhla ehlelweni lethu le eSwatini as Voices. Until we meet next time.